What's going on, everybody? It's me, Nick, again. Just making a quick video today. I just received in the mail another NFL hot pack from a seller who is just getting rid of his collection. So I just wanted to make a quick video opening that up. A little bit about this. I'll post the eBay listing in the description after I finish this. He sold about 1,600 of them so far. $19.99 free shipping. And I just got in the mail today. Has a whole bunch of autographs, numbered cards. I believe it's around like 20 to 25 cards that we'll get from this. But you know, without further ado, let's get into it. All right. Thanks for supporting my auction. Each month I will be choosing one customer of the month and will send them a free 20 card lot. The lucky bidder will be chosen at random. Alright, so the first card is a KD Cannon Rookie Reflex from Absolute Football. Plays for the Jets. Not too bad. Next one, we have a Davis Webb Future Legends Quarterback Giants 2017 Certified Cuts Jumbo Patch. Nice. Have a looks like a New York area 65 out of 99 Jay Samaro Quad Patch, Topps Blind Player Worn Memorabilia. I remember hearing about him, but didn't do too much, I don't think. But yeah, 65 out of 99. Next up, we have Ricky Williams. I remember him as well. He had a short-lived career, unfortunately. Is this a rookie card? 2003, I don't believe so. No. 2002 is rookie year. We have an old Packers player, Brett Hundley, University of California, Panini Contenders. Yeah, I remember him too. Not too great for the pack. Got an Eric Decker, Topps Chrome. What is this? I don't know. Oh yeah. Third year card. Nice Eric Decker. Have a Saquon Barkley. Score epic moment. It's a nice card. And then an OBJ sophomore selections. Odell Beckham Jr. for the Giants, 2015. We have a rated rookie, Chad Hansen for the Jets. Haven't heard about him since, but sure, Chad rookie. Or Chad Hansen, rather. Eric Armstead, Panini Contenders, 2015. Game day tickets. Not too bad. A lot of Jets players in this one. Holy cow. Monday Night Heroes, Brandon Marshall, 2016 Classics. And then a Jamal Adams, 129 out of 199 rookie card. Wonder if he's going to get traded anywhere. A Jake McGee, rookie card. 2016 draft picks. And I believe we have two more cards here. X's and O's, Saquon Barkley. Nice, our second Saquon. Not a bad card. And then our last card is going to be a Jordan Canzeri sticker autograph, non-numbered. Not too bad. Out of Iowa, rookie card, 2016. So yeah, that's about it. Not I think it's about what you'd expect when for a $20 pack. It got only a couple numbered. It was this Jason Morrow, and then where was it? No. The Jamal Adams out of 199, and then the rest were non-numbered. But I think it's a good value pack. You get what you pay for, kind of thing. But again, I'll link the eBay listing in the description. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this short little vid, and enjoy the rest of your weekend.